Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to solve the following simultaneous equation by elimination method. Okay, so we have two equations here, equation 1 and equation 2, which I'm going to label them. And by observation, now we need to decide whether do we add the equations together or minus the equations. And how do we decide? First, we need to check, is there any variable that is the same? Is there any letter that is the same? Yes, there is. Positive y, positive y. So now in your mind, you must think about. Now you need to think. How do I make y to be eliminated? That means they must be equal to 0. Y plus 1y plus 1y or 1y minus 1y. Both are positive, huh? So you need to decide and you realize that positive y minus positive y will be equal to 0. And that's how we eliminate the equation. So this means that I am going to minus off the equation. And I'm going to use equation 2 to minus the equation 1. Okay, so this is minusing, minus. And how does it look like now? Well, I will have my 3 minus x, 3x minus 1x. Y minus y will be equals to 0. So I do not need to write them anymore. This will be equals to 5 minus 3. And with that, we have actually successfully eliminated the variable y, and from here we can proceed to solve already, isn't it? This is 2x equals to 2. So x will be equals to 2 divided by 2. X equals to 1. And the next part would then be, now that I know my value of x is 1, well, I could just substitute x equals to 1 into any of the equation. Okay, it can be equation 1, it can be equation 2. I'm going to choose equation 1 because the numbers are smaller. So x is 1. So if you see, I'm not going to write x anymore. Okay, equation 1 is x plus y equals to 3. I'm not going to write x anymore. Instead, x will become 1 because my x is equal to 1. So from here, I can get my answer easily. 3 minus 1. Y equals to 2. Okay, in case you're wondering why my minus 1, well, if I minus 1 on both sides, then I would make this equals to 0, right? So that's what is happening, okay? And finally, it's important to just do a quick check. If we substitute back into the equation, does it give me back my answer? So in this case, I'm going to substitute into equation 2. Since I already substitute into equation 1, right? So 3 times my x is 1, plus my y is 2. Does this give me 5? Yes, it does. So my answer is correct. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.